Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell's song on guitar. This guide will help you break down the song into manageable parts, focusing on the core elements that make it so recognizable. We'll cover everything from the foundational power chords to the energetic strumming, ensuring you can play along with confidence. Get ready to dive into the world of punk rock guitar and master this classic track. The verse of Hell's song is driven by a powerful, repeating riff. You'll primarily use power chords, G#5, E5, B5, and F#5. Focus on smooth, rapid transitions between these four chords. A consistent down-up strumming pattern is crucial, and incorporating palm muting will give you that authentic, punchy punk rock feel. Practice these sections slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed to match the song's energetic tempo. The chorus builds on the verse's energy, often using the same power chords, but with a more open, less muted strumming pattern. This creates a fuller sound, emphasizing the song's catchy melody. The bridge section offers a brief melodic variation, providing a moment of slight contrast before returning to the main themes. Focus on the dynamic shifts, building intensity as you transition from the bridge back into the powerful final chorus. The guitar solo in Hell's song is a highlight, featuring quick hammer-ons, pull-offs, and expressive bends. It's best to tackle the solo by breaking it down into smaller, 2 to 4 note phrases. Practice each phrase repeatedly until it feels natural. Using a metronome is essential for gradually building up your speed to the song's 173 beats per minute. Remember to listen closely to the original recording to capture the exact timing and feel of the solo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.